How to apply for free government iPhone 8 Plus. Government initiatives like EB and Lifeline in the United States provide with free phone and wireless services. However, those with modest incomes must meet the criteria for participation in these programs. Eligibility requirements for free government iPhone 8 Plus. Government cannot provide everyone with a free iPhone, and to be accepted into the programs, you must first meet the qualifying requirements. Make sure you have all the necessary paperwork to show your low income status. Who qualifies for EB and the Lifeline program are provided below. A person is eligible for the program if working more than 40 hours per week but is still below the federal poverty guidelines. Your monthly household income must be less than 135% of the federal poverty threshold. Any Lifeline assistance you receive is limited to your home and cannot be shared with anyone else. An iPhone 8 Plus will be given away free of charge to anyone who qualifies for government assistance programs such as the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, SNAP, Medicaid, or Section 8 housing. List of documents that are required for Lifeline and EB program. If you're qualified, the government will give you an iPhone 8 Plus for free, but you have to prove it by giving some details. 1. State ID, a passport, a driver's license, a U.S. military ID, a government-issued ID, etc., are all acceptable forms of identification for verification. 2. Federal or tribal tax returns, a current income statement from your work, a pay stub, a social security benefit statement, etc., can also be used to prove your income. 3. You must get an approval letter, a statement of benefits, or a benefit award letter to demonstrate your participation in a qualifying assistance program. Other ways to get free government iPhone. You don't qualify for either EB or Lifeline, you can still get a free iPhone. You can start filling out surveys in exchange for an iPhone, but remember that they are extremely time-consuming. You may get paid to take surveys on the internet and can make a cash withdrawal or exchange your credits for a redemption voucher that may be used toward purchasing an iPhone.